In this tutorial, I'll show you how to opt out of offsite ads on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Offsite ads are promotions run by Etsy on platforms like Google and social media, and you only pay a fee when a sale comes from those ads. Now, if you want to opt out of offsite ads on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by logging into your account on Etsy and opening your shop manager. This is where you control your shop settings. Next, go to Settings and look for the Offsite Ads section. This is where you manage your participation in the program. After that, check if you're eligible to opt out. If your shop made less than $10,000 in the past 12 months, you can choose to leave the program. If you made more than that, participation is required. Now, if you're eligible, click the option to stop promoting your products through offsite ads. Then, confirm your choice to turn off the ads. That's it. You've successfully opted out of offsite ads, and your products will no longer be promoted outside Etsy through this program.